Hello, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a front door fashion unboxing and try on. I love this styling service. It is a very similar to Stitch Fix, but you reach out to them when you would like a box. It's not automatic, and there is no styling fee. They charge you a $100 deposit because they're sending you several pieces, and that gets applied to anything you should purchase, or if you don't purchase $100, it'll get refunded to you. What prompted me to order this box was I saw this blouse on Instagram where it's like a sweater and loved it. And so I reached out to my stylist and I asked her if she could put a mini box together for me with this top. And I had really liked that navy leather jacket that was in my last box, but I had decided I wanted to keep it, but I wanted to size up because it fit me perfectly, but I was afraid if I had any kind of bulky sweater that it would be too tight. So I wanted to size up, and they were all out. So she found another leather jacket she thought I might be interested in. So we're putting a mini box together. In a mini box, there are 13 pieces in this box, whereas normally there's, 20 to 25 pieces. So I wasn't really needing many items, but really liked this. And I thought this I could wear year round. I thought it was so unique and so pretty. So given that there's so many things in this box, I decide what I like to do is just jump into the try on, and then I'll show you each piece and then talk about the designer and the price as I'm trying it on. So that saves us a little bit of time since there's so many pieces. But if you're interested in trying front door fashion, I'm going to put my link below. That'll give you $50 off your first box, and it gives me $50. So it's a win-win. So please use that link. If you are on the fence, I think you should try it. So let's go ahead and dive into my first outfit. As I mentioned, this top is an adorable, absolutely love this top. It is a sweater. And I'm going to come close so you can see these sleeves. They're sheer. There's these flower applique. There's a little ruffle around the cuff of the sleeve. I just think that's so feminine and dainty. I love the square neckline. And this is all ribbed, and there's a little bit of detailing with some kind of open, I don't know what you call it, but there's kind of open stitching here. And I'm going to back up. She paired it with a pair of leather shorts. And these are so stinking comfortable. I absolutely love them. There is a zipper and attachment, but I don't know, it feels like elastic. It's just super soft and forgiving. So I'm going to back up. There's some pleats, some sockets. It's a nice length. And I don't have the sweater tucked in because it's kind of a crop top. Not crop, but it's shorter. I'm absolutely loving this outfit. Love, love, love. This top is by French Connection. It is the Juliet Mozart sweater in winter white for $128. This is in a size small. It fits me perfectly. I am normally an extra small, but I don't think I would want it any snugger than this. I think it fits beautifully. It's $128. The shorts are by Joe's Jeans. And they're the Peggy vegan leather short in obsidian in a small. They fit me perfectly for $168. Absolutely love this. Let's go on to the next outfit, which I think is with the same shorts, just different top. I'll be right back. Next top is this real beautiful, I love these colors. It's just a kind of a very thin sheer fabric, but love the details. It is like a high neck, but look at the sleeves. They have these little ties, and there's a seam here, and then this is kind of just poofy. and I have it front tucked into these shorts. So pretty. Love this top. I love the colors. I just think it could be dressed up or dressed down. I think it would look really nice with just some denim blue jeans, and really, really liking. This top is by Hutch. It's called the Mila blouse in blush blue floral in extra small. So it's my normal size. It fits true to size, 167. What a fun next outfit. It is a skirt and a wrap cami. So I just love the colors in this. I'm gonna back up so you can see everything together. This skirt is a knit skirt, a ribbed knit skirt. Has the slit up the front. And then this cami is kind of a loose type of hem. And I just kind of front tucked it because it just seemed kind of blousey, which makes me feel top heavy. And she suggested for a sporty look to put my denim jacket in the fall. If it gets chilly, put the denim jacket on and sneakers. So I'm gonna try that real quick and then we'll get the details. Really cute. Let me back up. I've got my own personal denim jacket and my sneakers. Super cute. I love the colors and I love it with the jacket. I just don't know if I like it without the jacket. Or maybe I would like it better paired with some pants rather than the skirt. This top is by Veronica M. It's called the Nicole Surplus Cami in the color Nicole. It's an extra small and it is 72. And the skirt is by Be Cool, the high slit midi skirt in black for 62, size small. So it fits perfectly. I have the next top on, which I just loved with the skirt that I already had on, and it is paired with a pair of wide leg pants and a faux leather jacket in a mauve color, a dusty pink kind of color, but I like it with so much better with this skirt, so I thought I would show you. With the sneakers, I think it's a better pairing. And maybe it's the fit of the top just isn't quite so blousey that I like. And it is front tucked. Really like this. So let me go ahead and try it on the way my stylist, Olivia Culver, intended. What a cute outfit. I have 3 things on: this faux leather jacket, this polka dotted cami, and a pair of wide leg trousers. And I think I need to adjust the cami straps, so please excuse that. But how cute is this? This leather jacket is really nice. I love the detail. You can see the stitching at the cuff. It's just a solid cuff, no buttons, no zippers. It's got some side pockets. It's lined, and it just has a flat collar. Really cute, and it's very comfortable. And then these wide leg trousers have these side pockets here. It is a zipper and hook waistband. Let me take the jacket off so you can see. It is high waist, or I guess it's high waisted. It's right at my belly button. So I tucked in the blouse. So we have the low-high pant, they're called the Kate Hill 30-inch office wide leg in black, extra small for $95. The top is by Single LA. It's called the Double Adley Tank in black polka dot, extra small for $108. The jacket is by B. Young. It's called the Acorn Jacket in Rose Taupe in a size small for $140. So it is a size up, and that's how I like it, so I can wear a bulky sweater underneath it. I thought it fit just fine. And let me show you, I don't know if I showed you the back of this cami. Kind of a cute racer back. What do you guys think? Please make sure to put your comments below as to what your favorite pieces are. I love to hear from you and what you think of the clothing and what your favorite items are, and put where you're from. I love to hear where you're from as well. So let's go on to the next step. I've got a new top on. I left my wide leg black pants on, even though this was intended to go with a skirt. I'll just try the skirt on next, but I thought I would show you what this top looked like with the pants. I love this color. This is such a pretty color, and I think it's really hard to find in the stores. It's just, you know, a magenta. It's got a kind of a rounded neck. I love the neckline with the shoulders, and then it has an elastic waist, you know, a thick smocked waist, which I really like. I think it looks really nice with these pants. Really cute. Let me put the skirt on and then I'll give you the details. Okay, I've got the skirt on. It is a really cute tiered skirt. There's a hem here with some little ruffles and a ruffle here, and it's got a fully lined, and it's kind of a sheer overlay in these flowers that are pink and magenta with a black background, and it looks really cute with this top. The skirt is also just elastic pull-on waist, which I tend to appreciate. Skirt is by Drew. It's called the Ruby Skirt in Raspberry in an extra small for $194. And then the top is by Veronica M. It's called the Banded Halter Top in Azalea, extra small for $76. And love this top. I just think it's so pretty, and I know it's the color, the black pants back on, and this kimono, which I kept from a couple boxes ago. And I did say to my stylist I'd like to have an outfit idea that could go with this kimono, so this is what she put together. And I think she said leather shorts, but I just put the pants on. So I'll show it to you with the kimono, and then I'll take the kimono off, but it's pretty. This shirt is unbelievably comfortable. I love the V-neck. I love the sleeves. This would be easy to layer, you know, under a denim jacket. Super, super soft and comfortable. And again, I just love this color. This top is by Drew. It's called the Blaze Knit Shell and Mist in extra small, $128, and I think it fits me perfectly. Love it. I'm going to show you the look that she intended to put this top with, and that's the leather shorts and the kimono. I think it looks really cute together. This is a total outfit that I would wear with the kimono that I already own. What do you think? I do absolutely love this dress. This is a very cute summer dress. It's cotton, it's lightweight, it's breathable. I love these a little bit thicker straps. This is all elastic, smocked all the way around, and then it's got several tiers, and it's just a free-flowing summer dress. It is so cute. And then I could put a denim jacket over it in the fall if it's chilly. I think that would look really cute. This is the Bishop & Young dress. It's called Belmundo maxi dress in black in extra small for $115. And I've got one more dress. I do want to say, since there are so many cute outfits in this box, I absolutely love this dress, but I own a very similar dress already that if I'm looking for reasons not to get something, as much as I love it, I do own a similar one, so I won't be keeping this. But if I didn't have that other dress, I would absolutely keep this. It's so beautiful, so summery. The lightweight cotton fabric, it just is so breathable. It's really comfortable. Last item is another dress. I absolutely love this. I know that's a word I use a lot, absolutely love, but I absolutely love it. I love these sheer sleeves, and it just has a solid cuff. This is like a really soft fabric. I love the neckline, and it's just a simple black dress you can wear to so many different events, and I can see getting a lot of wear out of this. I think the length is perfect. I just love the sheer sleeves. And this is by Karen Kane. It's called the sheer sleeve dress in black, extra small, for $148. All right, let's summarize the things that I love, and I'm going to need to narrow it down. I do love this magenta top, the halter top. I just thought was so pretty. I loved the color and would just go with everything. As with this lavender top, I really loved and would go with everything. And I really liked it with the kimono and the leather shorts. And I'll have to ask my husband, but I think he'll like the leather shorts. They are faux leather. And absolutely love this. And I loved the black knit skirt with the polka dot. I just don't know if I love it enough, and I love the dress that I'm wearing. So I'm going to need to narrow it down, but those are my top favorites, and we'll be narrowing it down further. I don't think I'm going to get this, but we'll see what the footage looks like and hear your comments. So that's a wrap for my front door fashion. Make sure to use that link below if you're interested in trying to get $50 off your first box. And please let me know how it goes if you do try it. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.